The only way to make miso soup. Most recipes for homemade miso soup require you to first make dashi, a fish stock with ingredients like dried kelp and bonito flakes that aren't always easy to find at your local Whole Foods. Enter this reduced fuss take on miso soup, a recipe inspired by my 88-year-old baachan, Japanese grandma, that won't require a trip to a Japanese market. Bonus: potatoes help make this soup more of a meal than something you'd sip before sushi. Serve 6 dried shiitake mushrooms. 2 lg potatoes, cubed. 1 c vegetable stock. 4 c water. 1 yellow onion, finely chopped. 1 carrot, thinly sliced on the bias. 1 block firm organic tofu, cubed. 2 tablespoons dried wakame, smaller seaweed leaves. 3 tablespoons organic miso paste. 2 tablespoons chopped green onion for garnish. 1. Soak the dried mushrooms in warm water for 10 minutes. Drain and reserve the liquid. 2. Add the potatoes to 4 cups of water in a large pot and bring to a boil. 3. Once potatoes are almost fork tender, reduce heat to a low simmer. Add the stock, yellow onion, carrot, firm tofu, and wakame. Add miso paste and mash into soup until thoroughly dissolved. 4. Serve garnished with the green onion.